In this tutorial, I'm going to look at how to create a flickering light in Unreal Engine 5. So we'll go to the content browser, we'll add a new blueprint actor, we'll call this BP_light flicker. Go ahead and open this up. We'll add a point light, then we'll go to the event graph, and from event begin play we will set the timer by function name. We'll set the time to every 0.1 seconds. You can change this if you'd like, and we'll check looping. Then we'll create our custom event, and we'll call this flicker. And we'll copy that, and we'll put that in the function name. Then from our custom event, we will set the intensity of our point light, and we will grab a random float in range. I'm going to set this to 1000 for the minimum and 5000 for the maximum. Now again, you can tweak this if you would like. We'll go ahead and hit compile and then save, and we'll go back into our level. We'll drag our light into the level and we will hit play. Now here you can see our light is flickering. That is it, guys. That is how you get a flickering light in Unreal Engine 5. If you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to check out my other videos, and I will see you in the next one.